If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, so many people struggle to make any real money online because they have the wrong mindset. All right. There are so many different ways to make money online. eBay selling, affiliate marketing, network marketing, freelance work, doing voiceovers. There's tons of ways to make money online, and there are thousands of people who make money online, right? So right there should tell you that if all these people are making money online, that you can make money online. Because I see so many comments, like I do these videos and then somebody will post, that's not real, that's not possible. I'm like, damn, you don't think you can make $100 online? Like, you don't think you can do affiliate marketing? Like, you really don't feel like you can sell on eBay? Like, if you really come into this with that mindset of like, I can't, or I think that's too hard. If you coming in the game like that, you already 1 foot out. You know what I'm saying? You already headed down the wrong path, because there are people selling on eBay making a full-time income, and that's all they do, eBay. There's people who all they do is write Kindle books. That's what they do, right? And most of these people, they are not college graduates, and they don't got all this background and degrees. They don't. They're just normal people, but they have this passion to be successful in a certain area. That's it, right? A lot of people start this making money online thing, and they don't have that real desire. They don't have that real passion. They come in there thinking it's real easy. They think all I got to do is just, sign up for something and then check my PayPal account. It doesn't work like that. It does take effort to make, the extra $1,000 a month or $5,000 or $10,000 that we all watch these videos about, right? It's mighty funny how the videos with the most clicks are the videos that have the greatest amount of earnings, right? Like the videos that say, how to make $10,000. The videos that say how to make $500 a day. Those videos got 50,000 views and all that. So if all these videos are getting all of these views, that must mean people believe that this is possible. Or that means that people want to make that amount of money. If they're watching a video that says, make $1,000 extra or $500 a day, people want to make that happen. All right. So you should know that people are really doing this. So you have to decide, are you going to be one of those people, or you're just going to be the person who talks about what they could do, would do, should do, but can't do? You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to really decide. It's only up to you, because this make money online thing, it really depends on you and your effort and your goals and your dedication. That is a fact. And it doesn't matter what it is. Like I keep stressing, drop shipping. People killing it with drop shipping. You know what I'm saying? Writing books, people killing it. Affiliate marketing, people killing it. So on and so on, right? So this whole thing about, oh, that's not real. Nah, you wasting time. You wasting time. You just don't believe in yourself, or you're lazy. You know what I'm saying? Point blank, period. You have to believe in yourself. First and foremost, believe in what you're doing, no matter what it is. That's the next step, right? And then mainly, if you got all that, you believe in yourself, you believe in what you're doing, you need to realize one thing. One thing should keep your ass going and keep you going forward. Remember this, you are only one video away, one post away, one paid ad away from reaching your goals. Remember that.